Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is Bodrul Islam. I am standing at my rooftop at Delpara, Naranganj. Today I will discuss with you some of plants here I planted in my rooftop. You can see pepper. In Bangla we can say it. Uh, Kachamoris, tomato trees here. Tomato is growing here slowly. You can see tulsi leaves here. It's a medicinal plant. It is very useful for our human health. We can use it various purposes. Tulsi leaves is available here. We can collect it from my rooftop. We can see pui shak here. It's an useful vegetables. We can use it in various purposes to make delicious foods. It's green and very tasty. There is pudina. Pudina leaves also here available. You know pudina has very good qualities for human health. Some you can see mango trees here. Mangoes are growing rapidly here. We can enjoy it after 1 month. This is papaya trees. It's little plants. Hopefully it will grow for 2 or 3 months, and we can get papaya from it. There are other mango trees on the other side of my rooftop. The sky is very clear today. The sun is shining brightly, although there are some clouds around the sky. The pigeons are flying at a long distance. Gentle breeze is blowing here and there. So guys, if you enjoy the morning fresh air, you have to wake up early from the bed, then perform your Fajr Salat. After Fajr Salat, the weather is calm and cool. You can enjoy it more than the other parts of the day. So guys, try to wake up from bed early in the morning. Then you have the blessing of Almighty Allah. That's all from today. Assalamu alaikum.